Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Great North Gardener. Are you ready to transform your garden from blah to bloom? Today's video is all about getting those green thumbs dirty and learning the secrets of two garden superstars, deciduous and herbaceous plants. So grab your gardening gloves, get comfy, and let's get growing. Oh, and before I forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future gardening adventures. First up, let's talk about the giants of the garden, deciduous trees. These majestic beauties are like the celebrities of the plant world, always stealing the show, especially during those stunning autumn transformations. As the days get shorter and the weather turns chilly, deciduous trees flaunt fiery reds, golden yellows, and vibrant oranges before shedding those leaves completely. But don't worry, this grand finale isn't the end. Come spring, they burst back to life with fresh, vibrant foliage, creating breathtaking canopies of green. Think majestic oaks, graceful maples, and elegant birches, all adding structure, shade, and a touch of woodland magic to your garden. Next up, we've got the supporting cast of the deciduous world, the shrubs. Don't let their smaller size fool you. These guys are powerhouses of color and texture, adding depth and dimension to your garden borders. Imagine vibrant red twig dogwoods, fiery Japanese maples, and fragrant lilacs, each one a burst of personality that evolves throughout the seasons. And the best part, deciduous shrubs are super low maintenance, making them the perfect choice for both beginner gardeners and seasoned pros. So go on, add a splash of color and texture to your garden with these deciduous divas. Now let's talk about those adventurous climbers, deciduous vines. These guys are like the daredevils of the plant world, always reaching for the sky and adding a touch of whimsy and romance to your garden. Think cascading wisteria with its fragrant purple blooms, fiery trumpet vine with its vibrant orange flowers, or the classic Boston ivy with its deep crimson fall foliage. Give them a sturdy trellis, pergola, or fence to climb, and they'll reward you by transforming those structures into breathtaking vertical gardens. But be warned, these guys can be a bit enthusiastic. Make sure you give them a trim now and then to keep them in check and prevent them from taking over your entire garden. Chapter 4. Herbaceous Perennials, the Comeback Kids. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about the masters of disguise, herbaceous perennials. These clever plants are like the chameleons of the garden, disappearing entirely in the winter only to reappear with a flourish in the spring. Think vibrant coneflowers, elegant lilies, and cheerful daylilies, all bursting forth with color year after year. Just give them a good spot in your garden with well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine, and they'll reward you with years of stunning blooms. Chapter 5. Herbaceous Annuals, the Life of the Party. Now, for those of you who crave instant gratification, let me introduce you to the party animals of the plant world, herbaceous annuals. These guys are all about living life to the fullest, packing a year's worth of growth, flowering, and seed production into one short but spectacular season. Think vibrant petunias, cheerful marigolds, and dazzling zinnias, all bursting with color and bringing instant cheer to your garden. Herbaceous annuals are super easy to grow from seed, making them a budget-friendly way to add a splash of color to your garden. Chapter 6. Herbaceous Biennials, the 2-year plan. Next up, we have the patient planners of the plant world, herbaceous biennials. These guys are all about delayed gratification, taking 2 years to complete their life cycle. In their first year, biennials focus on building a strong foundation, developing a robust root system and a rosette of leaves. Then, in their second year, they burst forth with stunning blooms, releasing their energy in one glorious display before setting seed and bidding farewell. Let's talk about the unsung heroes of the garden deciduous ground covers. These low-growing superstars might not have the height of trees or the flashiness of flowers, but they play a vital role in creating a lush, layered landscape. Think of them as the stage crew of the garden, working tirelessly behind the scenes to create a stunning backdrop for the main event. Deciduous ground covers, like the vibrant Virginia creeper or the charming Bearberry cotonista, add texture, color, and a touch of wildness to your garden. They're also fantastic for erosion control, suppressing weeds, and attracting beneficial insects. Now, for a burst of color that announces the arrival of spring, let me introduce you to the masters of transformation herbaceous bulbs. These underground wonders lie dormant during the winter, patiently waiting for the perfect moment to unleash their beauty upon the world. Imagine vibrant tulips, cheerful daffodils, and elegant hyacinths, all bursting forth with color and fragrance, signaling the end of winter's reign. Planting herbaceous bulbs is like burying treasure in your garden, just waiting to be discovered when spring arrives. Last but not least, let's talk about the ultimate garden multitaskers, deciduous fruit plants. These overachievers not only add beauty to your landscape with their stunning blooms and vibrant foliage, but they also reward you with delicious homegrown fruit. Deciduous fruit plants like apple trees, pear trees, and berry bushes are a testament to the fact that you can have your garden and eat it too. And there you have it, folks. 9 amazing plant types that can transform your garden from ordinary to extraordinary. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and start creating the garden of your dreams. And don't forget to let me know in the comments below which plant type is your absolute favorite, and what you're most excited to grow in your own garden. Until next time, happy gardening.